Happy Tuesday, y'all. So this Tuesday, Kroger had a sale. They actually had the what you call it, Save 5, whatever. So I went out and got some things. It's a holiday weekend, and just some things. I got the chicken thighs were 99 cents, and so were the drumsticks. So I got a 5.15 pack, and this one was $5.64 for the thighs. They had their drinks. 5 for $10, so I got three Coke Zeros, a Sprite, and a Dr. Pepper. They didn't have any Diet Sprites. I got some Mrs. Baird's bread. We having burgers tonight. I got 2 things of the Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce, just because it was $1. Kraft is my favorite, but when I find this on sale, I'll go ahead and get it too. Y'all, I haven't been able to find any rice, so I went on Sam's and they had the Uncle Ben's, and this is 12 pounds. It's like 8 something, and that's the regular price on it. I also went to Albertsons. They had the snow crab clusters. They were $9.98, so I say $7.30 on this package. They were $21 and something. I needed a little extra ground beef for our burgers, and I had it separated and frozen, so I thought out a section I need a little more. This was, y'all, it's $4.99 for a pound of ground beef. I also got a few catfish fillets. Tomorrow I'm gonna put this in the air fryer. No batter. I don't like the batter on it in the air fryer because if you don't add anything, it's too salty. But I'm going to have that in a salad. I got me some more peanuts because I think I ate too many peanuts. I got 1 nice tomato to go on our burgers. I got me some great tomatoes to go with a salad. I got some strawberries to cut up to put on top of my cheesecake. Got some ruffled chips. Got a recipe I want to share with you all. It's going to be my first time making it. I don't know how it's going to come out, but I had to get some French toast. So there it is. And I also got a pack. Kroger had this for $8.98, a 3-pound thing of the ground chuck. I went ahead and got it because ground beef is really high. They had one like that much in the store with $6, so I went ahead and got that. I got another thing of shrimp, the 16 by 20. They were $11.98 because we had some last week, so I wanted to replace that. When I get low, I like to have more. I got milk from Sam's. Kroger had this Welch's juice, $2.49. You know, on that buy 5, so I got that. I got a head of lettuce. I got some more green onion because I didn't have any. I got 2 things of the triple cheddar cheese. This was $1.99. I got my son some Honey Nut Cheerios. These pineapple, I'm sitting them here until they ripen. Albertsons had these Lucerne eggs, 99 cents a dozen, and they're nice size eggs. When they have them on sale, I do get them. And that's it. That's all I have. Not very much, but it costs them probably was like 110. But anyway, like I said, right now when you go and you see things, when you go in the store and it's things that you know that you like to keep stocked up and they don't have, when you do see it, you'll go get it. Like I did splurge on getting these crab clusters, but soon we're gonna have a crawfish. I was gonna do it this weekend, but my daughter not coming. But I'm gonna have a crawfish boil. I'm gonna put shrimp and crabs in it, and we're gonna have I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna do. I'll show it to y'all. I'll show y'all how I hook it up. All right, so y'all be blessed. Welcome all my new subscribers, all that's stopping in and saying hi, telling me you like my videos, my hauls, and everything. I really, really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Everything I do here is all love, and what you see with me is what you get. I am 100%. If you would meet me, I'm the same way in person as I am on camera, so ain't no pretending here. So y'all be blessed. Stay safe out there. Much love. Bye.